Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways on how you can download NBA2k23 on your mobile device. If you wish to download the NBA2k23 on your mobile device, you have to go ahead and follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open up your respective app store. And on the app store, you need to go ahead and type in Cheeky. When you type in the following application, this is the one. Go ahead and press the install button and wait for the following application to be installed. It's going to take a couple of seconds, so just wait patiently. Once the application is completely installed, go ahead and press the open button. Now you have to go ahead and create an account, so make sure to enable all sort of permission. So here you could either log in with your Facebook or maybe with your Google ID or an email. So I'm going to go with login with or Google and confirm it. So right over here, go ahead and select the particular account that you wish to create or log in with. Now that you have already created your account, this is how it's going to look like. Now here, once again, go ahead and exit out of the Cheeky app and then open up your Play Store. And now you have to go ahead and install the VPN. So for that case, you have to go ahead and install any of these VPN, but I'd recommend you to go with Tomato VPN. So when you open up the following VPN, go ahead and install it as well. Just press the install button and wait for it to completely install it. After it's completely installed, you have to turn it on and then exit out of it and then go ahead and log in into your Cheeky app once again. Now go ahead and head over to the section of games and on the search box type in NBA2k23 and you'll be able to find the following application, and you can go ahead and install, or you could just simply play it on the app itself. So that's how you can download the NBA2k23 on your mobile device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.